Alright, hello YouTube. Gonna do what I hope to be the lamest cold start video on YouTube. Alright. Oh, 12, that's not right. Oh, come on. 20, close enough. That's a little better. Anyway, it's not that cold out. Get the glow plug started. So on these 617s, cold starting is helped greatly by, obviously, glow plugs in good order. Big one is compression. Make sure your valves are adjusted properly. That needs to be done regularly. And then also oil. Make sure you're running 5W40. Huge help. Don't mind the mess. This is a work truck, not a showpiece. And there we go. And that right there is exactly how I want it. No puff and smoke, no big deal. Just an easy cold start.